It was so sophisticated and really interesting to be a member of your great family here.
So I'm really interested in business and entrepreneurship and design, and I just want to experience a summer school that is also not so big of a group.
We went sightseeing in Barcelona. We ate together, went to the beach. I was actually shocked of how many people from different nationalities and countries came to this camp. It was a great chance to experience new and different people and make new friends.
Today we went on the water in paddle boards. The other day we took a tour and we went to a whole football camp.
On the residence, at night we stay all together and just talk and share experiences. How was our day? It's like we're like a family, kind of.
The teacher knows a lot, and he also shares his own experience with his own startup and his own business. So it allows us to learn a lot.
It's only a week, but it's an incredibly powerful week. In these 5 days, you manage to do everything from getting an idea to developing it and finally pitching it to investors. So 100%, if this is something you're actually interested in, you should do it because you lose nothing. It only makes you improve yourself both academically and personally, and I would honestly recommend it 100%.
It was actually like learning in an easy, nice way and enjoyable with amazing people around you. So don't stress, that's my advice.